Hey, friends. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is a midday edition. So I've already got the bones of my makeup on. I've got my foundation and my blush and my contour on this morning. But we are going to do an eye look for hooded eyes. So welcome in, say hello, let me know that you're joining us, and then we will hop in and get started. So we are going to do a little bit of a different look today. I'm going to do my VDL eye primer in Serenity. It's got a little bit of a glimmer to it. So we're going to do just a little bit of primer. Great reason to give your eye makeup something to kind of hold on to, so that your makeup isn't moving or shifting during the day, especially if you're a sweater or going through the hormonal changes of life, right? Good morning, Connie. Hey, girl. Hey, haven't seen you in a while. So we're going to let that dry down for just a second and kind of get a tacky feel to it. And that's going to give our eye makeup something to attach to. So let's talk about hormones. Oh my gosh. I have hit 40 and the hormones are raging. We're going to do our Monopop eye palette in shade browns this morning. 42, let me correct that. But I did have a hysterectomy a couple of years ago. I'm going to start with this shade right here. And the last week, I don't know if it is with the time change, seasons changing. Let me know in the comments, where are you feeling hormonal changes happening most in your body? Or what seasons? Let me correct that. And so you can notice I'm just packing this on. I'm really just kind of patting it in and packing it on all over the lid. I've never noticed a change with seasons before. So it's been odd with me. But I've really had to make sure that I'm using my setting spray and putting it in place. Just odd. So I think, the seasons and the moons can definitely change things in our body. My oldest son has seizures, and we can tell like a full moon, man, it does havoc on his body and on his mind and on his seizures. So I definitely think maybe for us women, this is true too. Let me know if you see that happening. Okay, we've got it packed on. I don't know what made the hormone talk come on, but hey, somebody else needs to know that real women have hormones, right? Okay, next we're going to take this kind of a beigey shade up here, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of that brown there. Okay, so with the hooded eye, I covered the full lid, but I'm going to make a faux crease. So when I close my eyes, you can tell that they're hooded. So I'm going to go up a little bit so that you can actually tell that I have eye makeup on and not just on that bottom part. Because if I just did the bottom part, which tends to be the trend right now, you wouldn't even tell that I have eye makeup on. So once I did one dip, guys, and then I'm just moving it around, just blending it around. So you can already see a difference in how this eye pops a little bit more than that eye. Are you seeing it? Are you with me? Are you seeing it? Okay, watch this again. I'm going to pick up that neutral, and then I'm going to pick up this little bit of brown. I always start at the outside, and that's where I kind of drop it. And then I just bring it, blend it in and back out. In and back out. So doing eye makeup is kind of like painting a picture. It's kind of like artwork. You're just moving your brush back and forth until you get the desired effect. Now, okay, we've got that. And I'm holding my brush a little bit, can you tell? A little bit out. And so when I'm wiping, I'm just going back and forth, just like an artist on a picture. Back and forth, just moving it back and forth. And a good fluffy brush helps with this too. Good morning, Jacqueline. Perfect makeup. Oh, thank you. So we are going to pick up a little bit of a darker shade and do kind of a V. Let me show you at the end. do like a V down here in this area so that it's pulling the eye color away from the eyes, because I don't want to not be able to see that I have any eye makeup on. So we're going to do this darker color here on the, I think we're going to do this one. We're going to smoke it out a little bit. We'll do that one there. So Jacqueline, let us know, as a younger woman, have you been noticing hormone changes lately? We were just talking about how important that primer is, so that if you're finding yourself having day sweats, which is odd. Okay, so I just brought that in kind of on the corner of the eye, and I want to get a little bit closer. Can you see how that kind of completes that look? And I even went a little bit in. Look at that. So this part still has kind of that lighter color, and it's still showing up under there. Yay! Okay, let's do the other side. So I just picked up a little, and I'm just bringing it in like a V. I'm just sweeping it in. I'm not going all the way in on that eye, just about halfway to about right here. Yes, yes, girl. And then I'm blending it up into that crease so it all kind of flows well, just like a painting. All your colors are working together. Yes, girl. So then when I open my eyes normally, you can still tell that I have eye makeup on. It's not like, girl, where'd your eye makeup go? We're going to do our Blackest Black Glimmer Stick. I've really been loving going back to the Glimmer Stick. Okay, so here is my eyeliner trick. I'm going kind of thinner on the inside. And you're going to see as I get out further, I'm going to pull it a little bit thicker. Can you see that? Because with that hooded eye, giving that effect out here is going to make your eye look more open. Let me do the under eye and show you guys. Thinner on the inside, a little bit thicker on the outside. And some people can totally not do this, but I have been doing it again lately. I'm just going inside that waterline just a little bit. So it makes that eye look so much more open. It makes it look bigger. And I'm like, ooh, hey girl. Hey girl. This is definitely the late fall, early winter of my life. Happy and sad times. I think that has been for a lot of us, Connie, with especially with this last year. It's been hard on so many people. I just tried the Glimmer Stick yesterday for the first time. I am in love with I haven't used it in a while until I picked one up, and it's been a couple months ago. And oh my gosh, girl, I'm like, hello, where have you been? Why have you not been in my everyday makeup routine? And the cool thing about the Glimmer Stick is that it comes in so many different shades. Again, a little bit thicker on that corner part. Just going inside on that waterline a little bit. And those eyes are like, girl, yes, you showed up today. You are here. Okay, let's curl these lashes. Oh, yeah. That makeup bundle is the best bundle. It has one of my favorite eye quads in it. It has the Love mascara, has the Glimmer Stick. I think Connie picked that up too. The eye makeup remover. It has the Magic's Dust powder, which I love, for $50. I mean, that's like a full face of makeup for $50. Can't do that anywhere else. Okay. So I'm going in with this Love mascara. I'm starting at the bottom of like the root of my lashes, and I'm going down just a little bit. And watch this. It's going to give it a fanned out look. I mean, come on, Jessica Rabbit. Hello. our younger viewers probably don't even know who Jessica Rabbit is, but I mean, look at those lashes. Hello, girl. Hello. Okay. I got a mishap. And that just took it right off. Okay, let's do this side. So I'm going, starting at that root, bringing it all the way out. There we go. Going down and then back up. Tipping off those lashes for a little bit more of explosion and volume. I mean, come on. I was watching a makeup tutorial the other day, and they were talking about the eye look for Bratz dolls. Have you ever seen a Bratz doll? They are like a kid's toy, and their eyes are like popping. It's like the biggest part on them. And I was like, I could try that. And then I tried it and I was like, oh no, you should not try that. It does not look good on more mature eyes. So what do you think? Is this an eye look that you could pull off? Let me close and let you look at the full product. What do you think? Is this something that you would pull off and rock for the day? I'm going to do my Mist and Fix setting spray. Again, setting it all in place. Whew. Letting it dry. I've got all the bones on and we are ready. Oh, we better add some lipstick. Let's pull out our Birthday Bomb and Surprise. Why not? Yes, girl. Yes, we're rocking it. Good. I want to see your tutorial. Share it with me. Share it in the group and let us see it. So that is probably one of my favorite eye palettes. I love the Monopop. Has so many great colors in it, so many great options. And don't be afraid to put eyeshadow on your hooded eyes. You can do so many things with them, make them pop, make them big, and still have a beautiful eye look. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Share it if you did. Somebody else may need these tips and tricks, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Be sure that you like and subscribe to Jennifer Will See Beauty Biz on Facebook and YouTube. That's it. Bye, guys.